Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my top nude lipsticks of all time. Now I didn't want to put a number on it to say my top whatever, and I waded through all my lipsticks. Remember in that video when I said I was going through my lipsticks and a lot of my lipsticks went bad? This is what I was doing, and I narrowed it down to 7 lipsticks. So it's like an odd number, but it's my 7 top nude lipsticks. I think these lipsticks look good on people of color, and I always pair my lipstick with a brown lip liner. So, and these lipsticks, they're in no particular order. They're just my 7 top nude lipsticks of all time. So I'm gonna go ahead, and today I'm gonna use Simmer Down Brown. And narrowing these lipsticks down, it was so much harder than I thought. It took me almost 2.5 days to narrow it down to 7 nude lipsticks. All right. First nude lipstick is MAC's Kinkster. It's matte, but to me it feels more like a creamy matte. I would say it has a beautiful sort of warm olivey chestnut kind of tone to it, and this is what it looks like on. And I think this lipstick was part of MAC's nude collection as well. So this is Kinkster. Just a beautiful nude shade. All right, next lipstick, and I've already replaced the lip liner, is Board Meeting by Huda Beauty. This is what it looks like. It's like a nice tan nude shade, beautiful on deeper skin. It also has like a slight pinkish undertone that I think is like so flattering. Really, really pretty. So here we have it, Board Meeting. Isn't that gorgeous? Very pretty. All right, next one is Charlotte Tilbury's Hepburn Honey. This is a nice pinky nude. Her formula is so beautiful. It's so creamy. It rivals Tom Ford. Here it is. It just has like this soft creaminess to it that is like so pretty. And I love the gold bullet. I love the packaging of this lipstick. So here we have it, Hepburn Honey. Oh, but it's so pretty. Okay, next up we have Sugar Boo by Huda Beauty. If you are not new to my channel, you're not surprised by this choice. This is a beautiful pink nude shade. And these mattes are really comfortable, so it doesn't feel like dry on the lips. And there you have it, Sugar Boo. Next up, we have Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. Who remember this? This used to have me in a chokehold. When I first started my channel, I used this a lot. I love this lipstick. It's still good, smells very fresh. And this is also a beautiful pinky sort of monotone mauve-y nude. I feel like this would be flattering on any skin tone. And there you have it, Bow and Arrow. And a lot of these pinky nudes are similar because I like what I like, but for me there's a difference. But I'm a nude girl and I just love nude colors, and this is chef's kiss. I love this lipstick. All right, next up we have from MAC their liquid lipstick. This is in Cafe Au Chic. 2 more to go. My lips are already on fire. As soon as I start with the liquid lipsticks, my lips are on fire. This is a nice cool tone, sort of like a purpley pink nude. And I love cool tone lipsticks. See that? It's like a gray, nudie, mauvey shade. But I think it's very flattering. So here we have it, MAC's Cafe Au Chic. And for me, this, because I used to have Oyster Girl lip gloss. I don't know what happened to it. I used to pair it with the Oyster Girl and it looked amazing because the Oyster Girl had like a sort of a purplish, sort of fairy kind of tone to it. But I love this. All right, and lastly, we have Caramello from Stila. This is also a very cool tone, pinky, mauvish nude lipstick. And I love the formula of this. It's very thin. It's very comfortable on the lips. And this also gives that like vampy nude. And I think this would look good paired also with a cool tone lip liner as well. Caramello by Stila. Time took me 2 days to pick those 7 lipsticks because I mostly have nude lipsticks. So meaning if I were to gun to my head, I have to grab my top nude lipsticks that I've ever used and go with it, and I'll never have another nude lipstick. These are the 7 lipsticks I would grab. And I have honorable mention, Tom Ford's Deep Mink. This is one of my favorite nude lipsticks of all time, but it's discontinued, so I didn't want to list it and I didn't want to swatch it, but I can show you guys what it looks like. It's a beautiful pinky nude. And what I find with his, and it's so glossy and so pretty, beautiful shade. What I find with his nude lipsticks though, they go bad very fast. It'll smell bad very quickly. But his dark lipsticks last a long time because I got this the same time I got Deep Plum, and Deep Plum is still going strong. It's like a deep burgundy, and this one is already, it smells very funky. And before I wrap up, I want to show you guys how these, especially the cool tone nudes, look with gloss. And like I said, I don't know what happened to my Oyster Girl lip gloss. So I'm going to use this Tom Ford's Crystalline. There's just something about a cool tone lip with a little bit of gloss in the center that is so beautiful to me. I forgot how beautiful this gloss is, not sticky. It just has like this, I just love how it looks. And I need to start pulling out my cool tone lippies again because I forgot how much I love them. Anyway, guys, so I have 2 videos. I'm not sure which one, if this is going to go up first or the other one that I filmed, but I filmed to Get Ready With Me. This look that I'm wearing because I wanted you guys to see how I paired the Danessa Myricks Groundwork palette with the Patrick Ta palette. And I know one video is probably going to go up on Friday. The other one is going to go up on Sunday because I know you guys said you don't mind my Sunday uploads. But anyway, guys, this was fun. My lips are on fire. But I want to thank you so much for watching, for all of you that came back, and to my new subscribers. I want to thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.